When it comes to protecting your heart, remember this: there is no single superfood. It's not just an apple, or a spoonful of olive oil, or a handful of walnuts. The real secret lies in your overall eating pattern. What you choose day after day, meal after meal. Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Ethan Greenwell. For over 20 years, working with older adults across the United States, I've learned one truth. Your heart doesn't just need one healthy food. It needs a whole way of eating. Today, I want to share with you 2 eating patterns that science has proven to reduce the risk of heart disease: the DASH diet and the Mediterranean diet. First, let's look at what makes these diets so special. The DASH diet, Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension, was designed to lower blood pressure. It focuses on vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and low-fat dairy. At the same time, it reduces salt, sugar, and red meat. The Mediterranean diet, inspired by the eating habits of countries around the Mediterranean Sea. It emphasizes olive oil, fatty fish, vegetables, nuts, and beans. It uses white meat instead of red meat, and small amounts of red wine in moderation. Both diets share one thing in common: lots of vegetables, nuts, fish, olive oil, and less sugar, less salt, and less red meat. One famous study, the pre-dimed trial, proved that people following the Mediterranean diet had a 30% lower risk of major heart problems. That's a huge number. And the best part is, we can all apply these habits right at home. The first key part of both DASH and Mediterranean diets is vegetables and fruits. And vegetables are packed with soluble fiber, which lowers LDL, the bad cholesterol that clogs arteries. Fruits are rich in vitamin C, polyphenols, anthocyanins, natural antioxidants that calm inflammation and protect artery walls. And both fruits and vegetables supply potassium and magnesium, minerals that help lower blood pressure. A simple lunch of fresh salad with orange slices or strawberries isn't just tasty, it's natural medicine for your heart. Instead of reaching for a sugary dessert, grab an apple, a handful of berries, or a slice of watermelon. Your heart will thank you. The second pillar is fatty fish and olive oil. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids. EPA and DHA. These reduce inflammation, stabilize heart rhythm, and lower the risk of blood clots. Olive oil gives you monounsaturated fats, MUFA, and polyphenols, which lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL, the good cholesterol. These healthy fats also make blood vessels more flexible and protect heart cells. Science shows that eating fish twice a week and replacing butter with olive oil can lower the risk of heart attack significantly. Try this: bake salmon with olive oil and lemon instead of frying. Delicious and heart protective at the same time. The third part is whole grains and nuts. Oats, brown rice, whole grain bread provide fiber that blocks cholesterol from being absorbed in the gut. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds are rich in omega-3, magnesium, and fiber, all proven to lower blood pressure and improve artery health. Swapping nuts for sugary or salty snacks is one of the simplest ways to reduce harmful fats and sugar in your diet. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that eating nuts regularly can lower the risk of heart disease by 20%. Next time you want a snack, grab a handful of almonds or walnuts instead of chips or cookies. Alongside these 3 groups of foods, here are some small habits that can strengthen your heart even more. 1. Cut down on salt. The DASH diet recommends 502,000 milligrams of sodium per day. Flavor your food with herbs and spices instead. 2. Limit added sugar. Cakes, sodas, and packaged juices raise blood sugar and hurt your arteries. 3. Choose white meat over red meat. Chicken, turkey, and fish are much better for your heart. 4. Eat slowly and mindfully. This helps digestion and prevents overeating. Remember, it's the small, steady changes that build up to a big difference. Today, we explored 3 pillars of heart-healthy eating: vegetables and fruits, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that lower cholesterol and blood pressure, fatty fish and olive oil, good fats that fight inflammation and protect arteries, whole grains and nuts, natural cholesterol fighters that improve heart health. And the science is crystal clear. The Mediterranean diet lowers heart problems by up to 30% pre-dimed trial. The DASH diet is also proven to lower blood pressure. So here's my advice. Don't search for one superfood. Build a whole eating pattern. And if you're wondering which diet is better for me, Dash, or Mediterranean? Then watch my full video, where I break down a detailed plan you can follow step by step.